everybody, happy new year. So it's 2025. Thank you so much to everyone who continues to support my channel, watch my videos, support me on other platforms. I really appreciate and love you all. Like, this year I'm just gonna be posting more of what I want to do. This is my channel and I'm just gonna create the content that I want. I'm pretty sure I'll never stop doing hair content. That's my core, that's my base, and that's my love. So let's kick off 2025 with a new hair tutorial. Today I showed you how I installed this V-part wig, very minimal leave out. I did some really soft layering to the hair. Very pretty. This V-part is from UNice Hair. It's a yaki texture, and you guys, it just eats. I love it so much. I love U-parts because you can have very minimal leave out. So you can have that natural look without too much of your hair being out. This is all of the leave out I'm using, okay? So the U-part we're using today is from UNice Hair, and your wig comes in a nice little pretty box like this. And I've worked with UNice so many times, so many times. Inside you have your little card, you have your unit, edge elastic. I have an edge brush and also a wig cap. Now this is a really nice edge brush. Oh my God, look at that. Oh, that's nice. And it comes with a replacement head. So this is how the unit looks. This is their Easi Contour V-part drawstring wig. This is how the inside of the unit comes. The unit comes with clips around the top, combs, an adjustable band, and also that drawstring in the back, so everything fits really nice to your head and you can do different styles. Okay? So what I really like about this V-part is the seamless edges, the way they did the track. The hair is flipped over, so you can use very minimal leave out and you'll have a seamless look, as you can see. What we're gonna do is go ahead and install our unit. You just wanna go ahead and put it on. Now right here, I'm just gonna push in one of the combs. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. This hair is a really nice yaki texture. So what you want to do is now go ahead and open the combs at the top, and I'm just gonna move those over and clip it so everything's nice and seamless and flat. I went ahead and clipped my unit right at the edge of my leave out. So it's gonna be very seamless and easy to blend, okay? So now I'm gonna show you how I make it secure in the back with the drawstring and the rest of the comb. So right here is a little comb. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that right under my braids for a secure fit. And here's our drawstring. I'm just pulling that to make it tight. Okay, there's the drawstring, and you can go ahead and tuck the drawstring under. And I like how that feels. It really makes the V part feel nice and secure to my head. So everything is nice and flat, nice and seamless. Okay, you guys, so blending the leave out is really simple. I really like how the wig lays nice and seamless. You guys see how well that fits? And it's nice and secure and it's not going anywhere. So let's go ahead and take down our leave out. I used a very tiny piece of hair. Just gonna get my part nice and straight. Now I'm gonna take my pencil flat irons and just go ahead and silk out my leave out. Really simple and easy to do. The texture of this hair is really nice. What I'm gonna do, you guys, is go ahead and add some layers into the hair. And basically all I'm gonna do is bring this forward. I'm gonna elevate it and then we're gonna cut. And now we're just gonna keep building onto our layers. This is your guideline. Pull your hair this way. You see your guide, go ahead and cut. We're gonna go through and curl this. We're gonna take our curling iron and I'm gonna put like big curls all over the hair. Okay guys, so I'm done curling my hair. I'm gonna take a wide tooth comb and I'm just gonna comb my curls out. Okay, so I believe that's it for today's video. If you're interested in this unit, it will be linked below. I also have a special discount for you guys, so make sure you check the description bar below for all details. Thanks again for watching, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.